Looking to accessorize your display? Check this out. Meet the new freestanding TV mount, the easiest way to add a video screen to your trade show display. Built with a durable steel base for maximum stability, this display supports TVs up to 65 inches or 40 pounds. With a self-supporting design that secures it directly to the frame, this monitor mount stays hidden for a clean, professional look. Designed for portability, this TV stand comes with its own convenient bag on wheels. Not just for backdrops, this TV stand works perfectly with counters too, turning any counter into a functional kiosk. Easy to install and seamlessly integrated, this is the perfect tool for adding flair to your display. If you need some help, here's how to set it up. Place the X base upside down on a tabletop. Attach the bottom post and fasten the 2 screws securely. Secure the top post by attaching it and tightening the knobs. Attach the top plate, adjusting its position as needed, and secure it with the knobs. Attach the TV mount. There you have it. The freestanding TV mount setup is complete.